going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Frank, your resident affiliate expert, and today I wanted to give you guys a quick crash course on affiliate accounting. More specifically, when and how to make payments to your affiliates, what's expected, payment schedules, what you need from them, how to handle fees and refunds. So before we dive in, like all of my other videos, be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy today's content. It really does help us in growing the channel and reaching more people. And again, thank you guys for that support. Okay, so let's just go ahead and dive right on in, right? So this is usually after an affiliate sells your product, your service, your coaching. You have credit card processing fees. Maybe you have a salesperson involved. Basically, you have to subtract all of these things before making an affiliate payment, right? This sale would not have happened without your salesperson, and it would not have happened without you processing it, okay? So it's very common to share the credit card fees 50-50, where that's 3%, 4%, whatever the processing fees are, 50-50. And then you split the cost of the salesperson as well, 50-50, okay? Now, it's very important you have this discussion beforehand, and it's usually a negotiation point on how much they're okay with splitting with you on the salesperson side. But again, those sales don't exist without their help, so in most cases, they're okay. So at the end of every month or every 30-day usually billing cycle, it's usually 30 to 45 days on the first billing cycle, you want to provide a ledger, provide sales information, sales report, addresses, money amounts, and commission rates, and then your fees, okay? This is where you do the breakdown, so your affiliates are never surprised by the amount that they're receiving. And of course, this provides absolute transparency, which is what we're all about. Okay, the second thing is, before you can even issue them a payment, they must submit a W-9 and banking info. Now, I encourage you to get ACH info, which is banking, bank account and routing, so you can automate this process through your accounting department versus sending physical checks, which can get lost in the mail. That's how I used to receive all of my checks, and then I stopped after 2 lost checks at decent amounts. You kind of quickly stop, using that as a payment method. Okay, so ACH info, websites like bill.com are great for facilitating that. All right, and let's talk about the last thing here, which is payment schedule. Now, there's a variety of ways. The easiest way to do is just pick a date that fits within your current billing cycle, right? Paying your team, paying your bills, whatever that may be. Set it on the 1st or the 15th, the 20th, whenever you have the cash to make sure you're paying, you can pay out your affiliates, okay? Now, it can also be determined on your money back guarantee, 3 days, right of rescission, 5 days, 30 days, whatever that may be, okay? Now, you have a choice of either paying a percentage now and a percentage later, or the bulk of it at the end of the 30 to 45 day initial billing cycle. Then usually it's every 30 days after that, okay? Now, one of the things we usually suggest is you can always pay early, which is like pay 70% right now, and then you pay the balance in 30 to 45 days. Now, again, that all comes down to your money back guarantee, but in most cases, a 30% buffer should cover refunds, chargebacks, things like that, okay? But again, if you're handling high fulfillment, great support, you shouldn't really have to deal with the chargeback fees and things like that, okay? All right, so these are your core 3 focuses when you're doing your accounting, right? Is make sure you're splitting your fees and you're not paying out until you are through your refund period. And if you are, you're paying a small enough percentage or a large enough percentage to be able to still cover your refunds through that period, okay? Provide ledgers. Your affiliates love ledgers. Receive or request payment information before ever issuing payment. It's for tax purposes. If you wait till the end and ask for these things, it's a nightmare for your bookkeepers, so don't do that. And then your payment schedule, okay? If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to reach out myself, my team. If you have a unique case, sometimes people, process through, different merchanting accounts, different billing, paying, invoiced amounts, and then the balances later. There's a lot of different types of businesses. If you need help with that, feel free to reach out to me, comment below, reach out through our contact forms on the website, and we're happy to do that. Guys, thank you so much for spending time with us. I hope this was valuable information for you. Like always, take care, have a great rest of your week, and we'll be sending out another video just like this next Tuesday. So take care, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.